Hello everyone. Welcome to Business Management Tools learning course. Now we are going to discuss about why this particular course to be selected, what you are going to learn and whom this particular course is to. First question you will be having, why this particular course? Why this Business Management Tools course need to be learned by you? Because when you are going with a business, when the term business comes, it will be having an idea and you will be working on a idea. All of us, we are working on a idea. If you are working on your own idea, then we call them as a entrepreneur. When someone working for others idea, then we are calling them as a employees, but all of them working for some idea in their mind. So this particular course will help to execute a idea. Idea may be yours or with whom you are working, but to execute that particular idea, we need some of the skills and tools. We are going to teach all the skills and tools required to execute an business idea. It may be a operational management, it may be a project management. Some of the tools are explaining how to handle a team. Some of them are used to data. Some of them used to analyze the business. Some tools are used to reaching an audience. Audience is nothing but your customers using a digital platforms like social media or a Google search engine media or any other media. We have been discussed so many medias we have been discussed in this particular course. So idea need to be yours for the entrepreneur or the one who like to be come up with a startup. Idea should be yours. We will teach you how to execute that idea and what are the skills are required to execute that one, and tools are required to make them easy, in the sense to work on that particular idea with a step by step, and we can get executed successfully and we can reach our audience. That is nothing but once your idea has been developed and once you have been created a product or service, we need to reach that to a customer or consumer. How to reach digitally, we are going to discuss about that also in this particular course. Then it comes whom this course, okay, who can opt this particular course. We are welcome all, irrespective of their education, irrespective of their age, irrespective of what they are doing right now. It may be a student, entrepreneur, or a startup owner, or currently he's working on a digital media or business analysis or any office work he's doing, or one is a school going kid like a high school, one who is going to high school. Okay, everyone, it will be suitable. Here we will not be saying that this formal education need to be completed, in the sense you need to be have a minimum graduation or post graduation or 12th standard or a 10th standard pass. No, you can opt, anyone can opt this particular course. You can learn the tools to execute your business, or to make it your business more successful, or to make others business more successful. Both are there. Okay, you can, if you are an entrepreneur, these tools will help you to grow your business. If you are an employee, by using these tools, you're where you're working, you can contribute to them, and so that you can earn the promotions and hike and all for freshers and the students, it will give the value addition to their resume so that you can be differentiated yourself from the rest of the crowd in a job market, so that you will be getting a notice you have been learned some of the tools which are what exactly I am looking for to grow my business, so that I will hire you. That will be a welcome note from a entrepreneurs. Next, what you will learn in this particular course, you are going to learn about 37 softwares and applications. You heard right? 37. That is the 37 softwares and applications you are going to learn. We'll give all the details which are those 37 softwares and apps. Then within that, altogether 402 topics are discussed. Within a 37, at least you can take there is an average of 13 softwares in 13 topics were discussed in each of the software or application. So total 402 topics have been discussed, and 39 hours of content we have. We have a 39 hours of content. In the sense, you can learn it if you are learning for a 1 hour each day within a month also. We'll give you the breakup, how to learn, learning pattern also we will give. And 7 certificate you can earn at the end of this course. 6 will be from a Google, 1 is from our side. Our side we will be giving a business management tools certificate. From Google you will get a certificate on Google Analytics for a business analyst. Data Studio certification for a business analyst. Google Analytics certificate for the digital marketers, and digital marketing fundamentals of digital marketing certificate directly from a Google. So totally 7 certificates you will be earned at the end of the course. Come to the what are the things which 37 softwares we are going to discuss. Microsoft, we have 8 softwares. Okay, first one we already know that Microsoft Word for the document creation, Excel for the data analysis, PowerPoint for the presentation, Access for the data storage, OneNote for the like a meeting management, Outlook for the team management and email marketing, Microsoft OneDrive for the keep every data online, Power BI for the data visualization. So 8 software which are belongs to Microsoft will be discussed in detail, like from a scratch to a pro level. In the sense, you will not be worrying about if you are not be knowing how to open a Microsoft Word also, we have been taught that how to open, to how to execute all the, how to use all the options available within that particular software. Similarly, we are going to learn about 16 different apps available in a Google. And one best part of here is all the Google apps as well as the Microsoft Word softwares, you can learn it in your mobile also. By downloading a mobile apps, you can directly learn it in your mobile also. First thing is a Google Forms for the data collection or opinion collection, Google Drive for the save all the data in a online, Google Sites, it is the alternate for the Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Analytics to analyze your website, Google Trends and Google Alert for the keyword planning, and Google Keyword Planner is for the specifically for the keyword, and Google Trends and Alerts for the content marketing, Google My Business to local marketing, like you would like to show your shop, someone searching in a Google, you would like to show your shop, is it open or not, is it closed or not, like that. and Google AdWords to give a ads in a Google Studio, Data Studio, that is for a visualization alternative to Power BI, Optimizer for the content marketing optimization, Google Sheets alternative for the Microsoft Excel, Google Slides, uh, Sites is for the website creation, Slide is nothing but a for a presentation, and Google Docs for the document creation, Google Domains for the domains like www.yourcompany.com to create that one, Blogger for the content marketing again to start with the blogs. These are the 16 tools we are going to discuss in detail in a Google platform. Next, it comes about a 7 third-party softwares, third-party tools like a Tableau for the data visualization, Trello for the team management, HubSpot for the email marketing, Keyword Everywhere for the digital marketing, PageSpeed to check your website, WooRank again to check your website content, Canva for the postal design or ad design to logo design, and 6 social media marketing platforms we are going to discuss, that is a Facebook ad manager, LinkedIn business page, how to create a business page in LinkedIn, Twitter account for a business, not an individual, for a business also, how to manage a YouTube channel, marketing in a Instagram, Pinterest business account creation, creating a Pinterest business account. These are the 6 social media platform we are going to discuss. Altogether, it will be a 37. Some of them are softwares are there. Tableau is a software. Some of them are apps we have. Okay, Google especially. And some of them are online platforms we have like a HubSpot and all. WooRank, HubSpot, Canva and all online portals. So like this we have all 37 topics we are going to discuss in detail. Then it comes to a how to learn. For example, if you are planning to learn 15 minutes in a day just to learn a tools, that is a recorded video we have. So 15 minutes video you are watching and you are practicing 15 minutes. Okay, you are practicing 15 minutes, you are watching for 15 minutes and practicing for the 15 minutes. So total how much time you spend to learning? 30 minutes you spent for learning. So if you spend a daily 30 minutes, okay, if you spend daily 30 minutes, then to complete this entire course, you will be required 156 days. 156 days in the sense nearly it will be 4 month, nearly it will be 5 month. Okay, nearly it will be 5 month, 5.5 month. Okay, then if you are learning 1 hour per day, okay, like 30 minutes you are spending on a tools, learning a tools, and 30 minutes if you are practicing, so total 1 hour if you are spending, then you will be complete, you can complete this course in a 78 days. You can complete this course in a 78 days, that is about a nearly 3 months, within a 2.5 month. Okay, you can complete the entire course. So as you plan, at least spending a 30 minute in a day will not be difficult for anyone, so that you can complete a course within a 5 month. Okay, if you are spending more time, you can quickly you can complete a course. And second thing, on all the topics, if any updates are there, for example you are learning a HubSpot and there is some features has been added in a HubSpot, we will make a videos on that and we will be giving that video at the end of the course. We have a section called as the updates. Okay, at that particular section we will be adding all the videos which are having an updated version. Okay, any of the softwares are updated, at that particular point of time we will record a video and we will update that. And in a case any of the additional softwares has been come up in a market, okay, we will make a videos on that and we will upload immediately. So it will, you will be having a lifetime access to this particular course, so that it will be continuous learning for you. Okay, anytime you can learn and anywhere you can learn, as well as you can continuously you can learn, keep learning by using that updated video section. So this is how you can break up your learning. And we have been made detailed video on a digital marketing, business analytics, as well as on a office management tools, which are the tools you need to focus if you like to be a digital marketer, if you like to be a business analyst, if you like to be only to a office management or project management or product management, like that if you are looking for, then which are the tools you need to focus. But our suggestion is to focus on all the tools. In case if you are think that once you have been completed all the tools, if you like to be a digital marketer, then again you can focus on the certain tools we have been said, and what is the purpose of using that particular tools has been discussed in a next videos. You can refer those videos to be a domain specialist. Thank you one and all, and welcome all to a board, and keep learning, keep upskilling yourself. Thank you.